If you have been searching for a ticket-created condition in Zendesk automations, stop right now because it does not exist. What you actually need is a trigger, and most admins get this wrong. Here is the deal. Automations in Zendesk are time-based and run every hour. They have no ticket-created condition. Triggers, on the other hand, are event-based and fire instantly when something happens. Use triggers for instant actions like routing new tickets, sending acknowledgement emails, or setting priority. Use automations for time-based tasks like following up after 24 hours or closing solved tickets after 4 days. The magic condition is ticket is created. It tells Zendesk to only fire the trigger when a brand new ticket enters the system. Without it, your trigger runs on every single update. To get started, head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and finally Triggers. Remember that triggers execute top to bottom, so put your most specific rules first. Give your trigger a clear descriptive name like route billing tickets to finance. Add a description and pick a category. Trust me, your future self will thank you when troubleshooting 6 months from now. In the Meet All Conditions section, add ticket is created as your foundation. Then combine it with routing conditions like subject text containing specific keywords. Now set up what happens when the trigger fires. Assign tickets to a group, set the priority level, add tags for tracking, and optionally notify the assigned team. Here are 5 recipes you can steal right now. Auto-route by email address, escalate VIP customers, tag tickets by keywords, auto-assign by organization, and send custom acknowledgement emails per channel. Avoid the most common pitfalls. Always include the ticket is created condition. Test before going live, watch for conflicting triggers, and add nullifying conditions to prevent infinite loops. Want to go beyond simple keyword matching? eesel AI plugs into your existing Zendesk setup and actually understands what customers are asking. It triages by intent, drafts replies instantly, and can even resolve tickets on its own. Ready to supercharge your Zendesk workflow? Try eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required. Visit eesel.ai and see the difference intelligent automation makes.